Hello everybody, this is my second video and this is Pure Black. Of course, I am only here to tell you my story. But when I was 7 years old, I lived in in Bacolod in Philippines, and we moved to Palawan, still in Philippines of course, on when I was 5. And today when I was 11, we moved again to Bacolod. Actually, we're not living in Bacolod, but we are living in the municipal of Murcia, Dumsa. And it was a hard task because we will move again today. And I'm really sorry because I won't be able to make another video. This is the last one, guys. Sorry for my subscribers.